Cordless vacuum, GOOVI stick vacuum cleaner, 16 kPa powerful cleaning lightweight 2 inches 1 handheld vacuum with rechargeable lithium-ion battery and LED brush. Super cleaning power, GOOVI 2019 version vacuum supports powerful 200-watt suction in max mode, which is 4 times than ordinary DC motor. Remarkable lifespan of motor is at least 800 hours, which is 5.6 times than ordinary DC motor. Detachable battery, GOOVI 29.6V 2200 mAh rechargeable lithium battery enables 60 minutes continuous vacuuming in regular mode, 2 suction modes control for hardwood floors, carpet, walls, curtains, furniture, and even ceilings cleaning.